Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 6. Now, in this technique, we're going to use constant numbers that we're going to multiply and add to our answer. So, the constant numbers here are 2 and 3. For example, if we're going to find the square of 16, so 16 squared. So for our answer, we're going to look at first the first digit. The first digit here is 1. So we're going to have here 1. Then multiply this 1 to the next digit of 1, which is 2. Then just add 0. So times 20. Then plus first digit 1 times a constant number, which is 2. So multiply the first digit by the constant number 2. Then you're going to add here another constant number, which is 3. So again, the constant numbers here are 2 and 3. So you're going to multiply with 2 and add with 3. So the result here will be the first digits of your answer, and the last digit will be 6, because any number ending in 6, if you're going to square those numbers, the last digit will be 6. So solving here, we're going to have 1 times 20 is 20. 1 times 2 will be 2. Then plus 3. So 20 plus 2 plus 3 will be 25. So for your answer, 16 squared will be equal to first digits here, 25. Then our last digit is 6. So your answer will be 256. Another example, let's have 36 squared. So 36 squared, first digit is 3. So you're going to have 3. Then times, the next digit of 3 is 4. Then just add 0. So 3 times 40. Then plus 3, the digit here. Then times the constant 2. Then another constant 3. So plus 3. Then 3 times 40 is 120. 3 times 2, 6. Then plus 3. So 120 plus 6 plus 3 is 129. So these are the first digits of your answer. 129. Then last digit is 6. So 36 squared is equal to 1,296. Let's have another example. Let's have 56 squared. So 56 squared, first digit is 5, so we're going to have 5. Times the next digit of 5 is 6. Then just add 0. Then plus 6, the first 5, which is 5 here, times the constant number, which is 2. Then plus another constant number, which is 3. So 5 times 60 is 300. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Then plus 3. So 300 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 313. So your answer will be 3,136. Next example, let's have 76 squared. So first digit is 7, so we're going to have 7 times next digit of 7 is 8. Then just add 0. Then plus the digit 7 times the constant number 2. Then plus another constant number 3. So 7 times 80 is 560. Then 7 times 2 is 14. Then plus 3. So 560 plus 14 is 574, plus 3 is 577. So your answer will be 577 here, the first digits. Then your final answer will be 5,776. Okay, last one. Let's have 46 squared. So first digit is 4, so 4 times the second, next digit of 4 is 5, then add 0, then plus the number 4 times the constant number 2, then plus 3. So 4 times 50 is 200, then 4 times 2 is 8, then plus 3. So 200 plus 8 plus 3 is 211. So first digits, so our answer will be 2160. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.